Ever wondered how to turn your written blog content into engaging YouTube shorts automatically? If you're sitting on a goldmine of blog posts but struggling to reach new audiences, this strategy is for you. Start by identifying blog articles that offer quick tips, interesting facts, or clear step-by-step solutions. These translate best into bite-sized video content. Next, break your post into punchy single-sentence ideas or highlights. This makes scripting concise and attention-grabbing. Use an AI tool to summarize each point into a short, clear script. Now, for the real automation, platforms like AutoShorts AI let you input your blog text or summaries, then automatically generate scripts, visuals, and even voiceovers tailored to your brand style. You can customize the look and feel to fit your channel and schedule uploads across YouTube Shorts and other platforms, all hands-free. Focus on delivering value, maintaining clarity, and keeping each short under 60 seconds for maximum impact. Repurposing your blog content this way not only saves time, but also multiplies your reach and engagement. With these steps, you'll keep your channel active and engaging with minimal effort while expanding your audience efficiently.